Alright, so because of two prevailing winds, a tree grew so it was leaning 6 degrees from the vertical at a point 30 meters from the tree. The angle of elevation to the top of the tree is 22.5 degrees. Find the height of the tree. So without the drawing, it's going to be difficult to do. So here's our drawing. So our tree is leaning, and it says it's 6 degrees from the vertical. So here would be our vertical. So this here is going to be 6 degrees. And at a point 30 meters from the tree, so we're out here somewhere, 30 meters, the angle of elevation to the top of the tree is 22.5. It says find the height of the tree. Well, my tree is what's leaning there, so I'm going to call that X. Well, what do I know about, yes, I'm going to say this angle right there. It's 84. It's the 90 degrees minus the 6 degrees. All right, so it's kind of hard to see what I've got here. So let's label our triangle. So A, B, and C. It doesn't matter which one's A, B, or C. Let's just do it together, though, so ours match right now. So I'm just going to start here. That's A. I'm going to let my top angle be B, my bottom angle be C. Well, that means the side across from A is going to be side A, side across from B is going to be side B, and the side across from angle C is going to be side C. And I'm going to do one of our little answer boxes, even though we don't need all the information, and we're not going to find anything we don't have to have. It'll help us organize a little bit what we've got going on. So I can see, looking at my drawing, the angle A is, what, 84 degrees? I don't know angle B. Angle C is 22.5 degrees. I don't know I don't know side A. Side B is 30, what was it, meters? And side C is my X. It's what I'm after. So now remember, we're doing the law of sines because this is not a right triangle, is it? And the only thing we know as of right now is the law of sines.
Angle B.
So I need a side and the angle across from it. Do I have that?
No, but you can get angle B.
But I can't, right, I don't have it yet, but I can find angle B, and when I do find that, then yes, I will have it. So let's go find angle B. How are you going to find angle B?
Well, you have A, C, and all you do is...
It's 180 minus 84 plus 22.5.
Good. So we do that. What is our angle B?
73.5.
73.5? All right. So now I do have that side and that angle across from it, right? So now I can use my law of sines by setting that up. And I'm looking for angle C, so I'm going to set it equal. I'm sorry, I'm looking for side C, so I'm going to set it equal to the C information. So we said we got side B, which is 30, over sine of angle B, which is a 73.5 degrees. And that's equal to side C, which we don't know, that's the X that we're looking for, over angle C, sine of angle C, which is sine of 22.5 degrees. So then again, we're going to cross multiply and divide. So X is equal to 30 times sine of 22.5 degrees divided by sine of 73.5 degrees. And so let's plug that in our calculator and see what we get. All right, so we got 11.974. What's the units?
Meters.
Meters.